There we go, guys. We actually got our Delta Executor for free. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. Nice, guys. So now we will see. Yeah, there we go, guys. We also got pre-installed NICUs and Forge Hub. So let's click, for example, on Forge Hub. The test script, does it actually work, guys? So as you can see, game detected, grow a garden. Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest updated Delta Executor and undetected for free for my Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, guys, or you can do it even with your PC. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I got it online, free, and without downloading any modded APK. So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called blocksforge.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com on browser, log in there and copy your profile URL link. So guys, when you copy your link, in your link there is your user ID. So when you copy your link, just get back to the tool and click on this small button and it will automatically scrape only your user ID from that link. So just click continue and it will start searching for our user account. So you should get this user found. And guys, now we will have to import the newest updated Delta Executor to our account. So just click here on this button and now we will have an option to select additional scripts if you want to get installed for free also. So guys, I will select Forge Hub and NICUs. I like them the most and I will select only these two and click continue. So guys, it will start connecting to the API, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I will record it more and review more websites. So yeah, and there we go, guys. API is connecting, nice. And we got our activation key generated for our Delta Executor, as you can see, guys, nice. So now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key. So guys, it's all free and it's one-time verification. So we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete these simple questionnaires. It's really up to you. So what will I do now? I will download Travel Town and TikTok. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from the official publishers. I mean, if you're using your Android phone, it will start downloading from Google Play, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, as I said, it's all from the official publishers, it's all free and safe. So it's really important also to follow their instructions. So for Travel Town, I will download and install this app, then play on complete level 9. And for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, Travel Town and TikTok, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully, oops, along this redirecting text, and I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So guys, it should redirect us every single second. So let's wait together and let's see, will we actually get redirected? So as I said, guys, I have completed those and I got you completed 2 tasks successfully with this message redirecting. So we will wait now. I won't skip this video because it could redirect us every single second. So there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for pressing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID connected and our Delta Executor key is connected. Nice. So now we will open our Roblox and we will test our Delta Executor. Is it actually working? So let's wait for this and let's see. Is it actually working? So guys, let's click on grow a garden, for example. I like this game, so there we will test our Delta Executor. Does it actually work? So let's rotate my phone and then let's see. So okay, there we go, guys. We actually got our Delta Executor for free. As you can see, thank you for using Delta. Nice, guys. So now we will see. Yeah, there we go, guys. We also got pre-installed NICUs and Forge Hub. So let's click, for example, on Forge Hub. The test script, does it actually work, guys? So as you can see, game detected grow a garden, and now we will test this script, guys. Does it actually work along our Delta Executor? So okay, there we go. We loaded it, and now we can click on whatever we like. As you can see, it has a lot of options. Teleports, let's test this. Yeah, it works, guys. So we can literally adjust whatever we like. Let's see speed now. Yeah, very much faster. It works perfectly, guys. This Delta Executor from Blox Forge is absolutely free and safe for using. You will get it without key needed. So I mean, you will get generated key. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.